Hi, I'm Dedra Hughes with Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group, and I'm here with Brooke Peterman on the Dedra Hughes Team at Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group. We're standing at 2829 Timbercreek in beautiful Cottonwood subdivision. Let me tell you, I've spoken before about low inventory, and I can promise you one thing. This is a ready, set, go home. It will not last. Inside, you're going to love the flooring, the high ceilings, the quaint kitchen. It's a very open, split floor plan, and I'm going to let Brooke tell you what's special about the outside.
The outside is absolutely immaculate. From the freshly painted exterior walls to the lovely screened-in porch, it is all beautiful. But what is so amazing about the outside of this house is that it backs up to nature. So let's go look inside.